Right, he's having his dinner again. He's having a bit of chicken, potato, bit of veggies, bit of roast potato. Yesterday's Sunday dinner. Anyway, he's enjoying it. He's putting a bit of weight on, do you think? Comes over now. He really doesn't. And if when I whistle him, he comes running. Hey, he knows who's feeding him, doesn't he? Anyway, I'll keep you updated on progress as we go along. I don't think it'll be too far off before he flies off, but we will see. I'll keep you posted. And thanks for watching. Chin chin.